Welcome to ClearTask. In this video, I will show you 3 simple methods to insert the alpha symbol into your Microsoft Word document. Let's get right into it. Method 1 is the fastest keyboard shortcut. Click anywhere on your document where you want the symbol to appear. Type the numbers and letters 0, 3, B, 1. Immediately after typing that, hold down the Alt key and press the X key on your keyboard. The code will magically transform into the alpha symbol. Method 2 uses the equation shortcut, which is perfect if you are typing math formulas. Simply press and hold the Alt key, then press the equals key to open the equation box. Next, type a backslash, followed by the word alpha. Press the spacebar once, and the word will instantly convert into the symbol. Method 3 is the traditional way using the Insert menu. Go to the top ribbon and click on the Insert tab. Look to the far right and click on Symbol, then select More Symbols. In the window that opens, make sure the font is set to normal text. Then change the subset drop-down menu to Greek and Coptic. You will find the alpha symbol right there. Click on it and hit Insert. That is it. 3 quick and easy ways to type alpha in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.